everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to share with you a luxury haul. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I do a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel when we can, and mostly luxury handbags. So if any of that sounds very fun to you, if you like that idea, or if you like the vibe here, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and also ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, let's get into this haul. It's gonna be a try-on haul, so yes. So I have accumulated a few luxury pieces, or just like clothing pieces, over the past couple of months, and I did want to just share those with you today. So some of these, a lot of these are clothes, but some are accessories as well, and I just thought they'd be very nice to talk about. The first thing I actually want to talk about are these. These are new sunnies from Saint Laurent. These are actually my first pair of Saint Laurent sunnies. I love the cat eye shape. It's so fun. I actually got these from Farfetch, not Farfetch, that's a Pokemon. I got these from Farfetch, and Farfetch was having a 15% off discount at the time, and I was like, oh my god, I've been wanting these sunglasses. These were part of the 15% off, so I went ahead and snagged these. They're so freaking cool on. They are a very, you know, exaggerated cat eye. They're not too big, but they're not like small either, and they just look so cool. Like, I feel like these are like the boss bitch sunglasses, if you know what I mean. If you were walking down the streets of New York, or maybe even LA, but New York, these seem like very New York glasses to me, but I love them. And they say Saint Laurent on the side right here. There's not too much branding on these, as you see, and then they have, you know, like the date code and all that good stuff. But yeah, those are super cool, and I would highly recommend these if you like these kinds of glasses. I think they're awesome. They do have a new pair of sunnies as well that I may get in the future, but I just got these ones, so I'm just gonna wait a while. But I think it's part of their like new wave collection. It's like a newer collection that dropped a couple weeks ago, and I was gonna get those, but they weren't part of the discount. They weren't part of the 15% off because they were so new, and these ones were actually $5 more expensive than the brand new ones. And I was like, oh well, if I'm gonna get a pair, I might as well just get the ones that are available for the 15%, and they look the exact same. I think the only difference really is that the other ones might be a tiny bit bigger, and they have like reddish kind of burgundy lenses instead of these ones are black. But yeah, I like these a lot. And I have one more Saint Laurent thing, but it's actually not here yet. It's going to arrive next month. I think it's going to be like April 4th that it gets here, something like that. But this item is actually from the newest collection, and I don't know if it's the same thing because I've been seeing people with this item, but it was part of New Wave, I guess, and it was a pre-order. I have no idea, but I did get the Saint Laurent like travel cup, and I'm so excited about this. Apparently it's ceramic, which is really, really nice, and I love this cup. They have like a bunch of like patterns and colors and stuff, but oh god, I really just loved the traditional black one with the Saint Laurent just in white on the front, and it just looks so good. I really, really like it. So I did get that. It was a pre-order, so I don't have it to show yet, but I did want to just add it to this haul, just because I did order it. Maybe when I do get it, I'll do an unboxing of that. That'd be super fun, I think. But yeah, I can't wait to have that. I take a lot of drinks in the car with me, like coffee, water, Diet Coke, everything. So pretty much my old travel mug or my old travel cup, I can just like give it a rest and use this new one. I'm so excited about it. Next up, I wanted to talk about these. Oh my god, I was gonna do an unboxing of these, but I feel kind of weird because I have been doing quite a few unboxings on the channel recently, and I feel like it's a, I don't know, I don't want anyone getting the wrong idea or thinking that I'm like going into debt getting these things. That's literally not the case at all. I have a pretty nice savings that I've, you know, been able to accumulate and stuff, and I do have a nice job as well. Yeah, so I didn't want to do another unboxing because I felt like it was just too much, but I did just want to show these because I did get these. So I got, look guys, oh, they're so dirty. I'm so sorry. I went to the store and it was not raining, and then I came out of the store and it was raining, and I had to walk through the grass and the mud to get back to the apartment. So yeah, I did not mean for that to happen, but I'll clean them, but they still look good on the top. These are the Celine high top sneakers. I am actually in love with these. These are so freaking comfortable. I have never worn a pair of sneakers this comfortable. I have my Tory Burch sneakers as well that I like a whole lot. I still wear those all the time too. It just depends on the outfit that I wear. But these ones I've really been liking so far. They're such good quality, and I got them at Nordstrom, and so I was able to get like some points as well. Apparently you get points at Nordstrom. So yeah, these are amazing. And of course I will have everything linked in the description for you too, in case you wanted to do a little shop. But yeah, these are incredible, amazing, amazing white sneakers, and I'm terrified to get them dirty, but I already have. The next 3 items I have to show are clothing, and this is the first one I want to show you guys. This is my first piece of Marine Serre. Marine Serre. I don't know how to say it, but guys, I feel like you see every single person on YouTube that's like a fashion influencer or anything, like Sophie Chohet. She has this top in every single color. I know Cassie Thorpe has one of these that's like blue, and it's so cool, but I got this again on Farfetch. A lot of these I got on Farfetch. Not sponsored, guys. This shirt, I was kind of like, you know, I was like, it's very hyped up. I don't know if it's going to be like actually worth it. I'm afraid it's going to be, you know, too short. I'm afraid it's not going to be long enough to tuck into stuff. It's not going to fit very well. Guys, this thing fits incredibly. I've never seen anyone like particularly haul this before and like do a try on, but this fits so good. I want every single other color now. They have one that is the color of the moons, like it's the whole shirt is the color of the moons, and then the dark bit right here is the color of the moon. So it's like a swap, if you know what I mean. It's so cool, and I cannot wait to get every other color because they're just that good of shirts. And they have one that's turtleneck like this, and they have ones that are not turtleneck. They're kind of like mock neck, so I like them both. Next up, I have these shorts. These are the Burberry shorts. I got these from it was like an online boutique. It was called like Serre. It was like Cettire, I think. I don't know, let me look it up. Yeah, Cettire, I was right. And yeah, these are the Burberry shorts. They're kind of like gym shorts, that's what they look like, but they're called like the vintage check short or something like that. But these are so lovely. I'm actually so into them. I love them so much because they have dual pockets here. They have 2 pockets on either, they have 1 pocket, I'm not going crazy, on either side. Perfect pants, and they're so comfy. I did get these in a UK size 8, which is a US 6, because I still wanted to be able to wear these with like sweaters and stuff and tuck them into things and wear it with like, I don't know, like a white top or something like that. I got one more thing that I forgot to show, and I'll have to go get it here in a minute. These are the coolest pants, I swear. I love these so much, and I wear them all the time around the house. I haven't worn them out yet because it's still not warm enough to do that. But whenever I do have the ability to wear them out, I'm 100% going to wear them out because I love them so much. Next thing that I got that I forgot to show is just this white top. This is from Aritzia. I got this so I could wear it like with the Burberry shorts, have it tucked in, or just to have a white top in general. I did not have any kind of button-down white top that I liked very much. They were all quite old, and I just thought I needed a new one, so I got this one. Again, it's from Aritzia. It's very nice. It's long sleeve, it's white, and I got it in a small. That's pretty much it. And the last item I have here to haul with you guys today is a sweater that I've been wanting for so long, and I'm so happy I finally got it. Guys, oh my god, I'm so excited. This is from Toteme. Toteme. I have been seeing Toteme everywhere on YouTube and on Instagram, and this is also from Farfetch. Again, not sponsored or anything, but I am obsessed. It is this incredible, like oversized sweater. It is just so soft, it's so cozy, and it's amazing, and I am actually obsessed with it. The only thing that I don't love about it is it sheds very much, and I don't know how to fix that. I don't know. I assume you can't like wash this like how you would normally, so I don't know if you washed it, it got better. I don't really know, but I love it, and I tend to actually wear this with my Burberry shorts because the shedding is not too bad. If I wore them with like leggings or something, it would just be hair everywhere, and I can't really have that. But this sweater is so freaking comfy. It is so nice, and I love it too. Actual pieces. I cannot wait to get more from Toteme. I have a lot that I've like hearted on Farfetch that I want to get in the future. But you guys, that has been my haul. I hope that you really enjoyed it. I again will have everything linked in the description for you if you wanted to do a little shop yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. But again, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me to subscribe if you want to. And then again, feel free to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!